Hi guys, and welcome to Capturca Prot, when polygons meet design. My name is Hikko, and today we continue working on our shock absorber spring, specifically the end coils. Springs can have different shapes, so we'll create one of the standard version. Let's duplicate our circle and, just like before, create a spiral, but this time with a smaller angle. Copy it and make it a separate mesh. Then mirror it on the y-axis and reduce this width. Now we need to trim the end and shape it properly. Delete part of the faces and add some extra edges to support the new form. Right now it looks pretty bad, that's normal. Add more edge loops to clean up the geometry and remove triangles. Blender doesn't handle triangles very well in this kind of modeling. Adjust the loops to smooth out the shape. Now it's time to add the same geometry to the top part. Copy it and mirror it on the Y and Z axis. Apply the modifiers and merge everything in one mesh. Make sure to check the face normals. If they're flipped, you might get unwanted artifact where the parts connect. At the end, apply a subdivision surface modifier to smooth everything out. Add a material and prepare the object for rendering. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helps you reach new heights in Blender. See you in the next one!